All right, hello, middle schoolers, high schoolers, folks that have chosen music theory for session 2. Today is Gold Day 6, and so we wanted to give you a little introduction to theory because it's quite a bit different than anything that you would have done in either listening and reflection or rehearsal. So the first thing is you should have received a envelope in the mail. Well, you probably haven't received it yet. We think it'll come either today, Wednesday in the afternoon, or tomorrow, Thursday afternoon. So one thing to know is you can turn in your Gold Day 6 assignment anytime on that Thursday. We will not count anyone absent until that evening, probably not even until the morning of Gold Day 7. So let us know though if you haven't received your envelope in the mail on that Thursday afternoon. If it didn't come in the mail on the Thursday, then we wanna see what we can do. So, all right, like I said, you're gonna get this envelope in the mail. In that envelope, you're gonna have a lot of documents. Here's one of them. You can't really see it, I know, but it's called the 5-day plan. That should show up kind of in the front of your envelope. And in that 5-day plan, it's going to say day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9, day 10, the 5 days of session number 2. And it's going to have green page, white page. What that means is those are the workbook pages. One of the documents is going to be this workbook that you're going to have to turn in on those given days. All right. The 5-day plan that you have, like I said, it's going to say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for the days. But in our videos, it's going to say day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because the videos we made were for those session 1. Yeah, the first 5 days, first 5 gold days. It's all pretty much still the same though. So for the most part, you're going to notice that the workbook pages on your sheet are the same as in the video. Now when we get toward day 4 and day 5, that changes a little bit. So watch for a video on those days that's a little bit separate from kind of the main lesson video. That'll just kind of explain exactly those couple days. All right, the way that we want you to turn in your assignments, and this will be explained in kind of the official Gold Day 6 video, but is taking a picture of your workbook pages. Okay, we really want you to use the actual physical paper rather than the PDFs you're going to see on Schoology. Mr. Cameron's going to talk a little bit about why and also about that pencil in his hand.
Using PDFs on Notability and writing in those small spaces and things like that, it's just going to be really hard and it's a mess. So physically get a pencil, and in the videos we use a pen, but we want you to use a pencil because if you make a mistake or if there's something that we want you to correct on those comments that we make on your assignments, then they're easy to erase and fix for us. And so do not use the PDFs. Just don't do it. It's just going to be messy and use the physical copies.
Yep.
Moving on to office hours. Every Maroon Day, we are going to have office hours in the morning. So starting on Thursday, we're going to have office hours from 9 to 10 every Maroon Day. Then every Gold Day, we're going to have office hours from 2 to 3. Yep. So we're going to send you out a Schoology message with the code to meet us in Google Meet, and you can log on. We'll be there the whole hour. And even if it's not theory related and you just want to have a chat about something else, that's fine. Check in.
Yep.
But if you definitely have questions, reach out either Schoology messaging or through those Google Meet office hours.
Yep, we absolutely want to help because some of this theory stuff can be kind of confusing. And then also, when you submit your pictures in the assignment, go ahead and make sure you look back at our comments because we'll let you know what looks right, what doesn't look right, because we want you to be able to go from day to day and make sure that you know exactly what you're doing. All right, I think that covers it. Make sure you watch the rest of this day 1 video coming up. And again, communicate with us if you need help or if you aren't getting that packet in the mail, we want to make sure we find a solution. So, all right. right, we will see you next time.
See you later.